Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: BlackRock versus Blackstone. Which one is better in 2025? If you're an investor or just curious about the financial world, this comparison will help you make sense of these giants. Let's jump right in. First off, what are these companies? BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager, handling over $10 trillion in assets. They specialize in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, mutual funds, and a wide range of investment products that are super accessible for everyday investors. On the other hand, Blackstone is a powerhouse in private equity and alternative investments, like real estate and infrastructure deals. They're known for high-stakes investments that can yield big returns, but they often target institutional investors or high-net-worth individuals. Now, let's compare them head-to-head. Starting with performance. BlackRock has been a steady performer, especially with its low-cost ETFs that track market indices. In 2025, with the rise of sustainable investing, BlackRock's focus on ESG, environmental, social, and governance funds could give it an edge. Blackstone, however, excels in generating alpha through private equity, which might outperform in a booming economy, but it's riskier and less liquid. Fees are another big factor. BlackRock typically offers lower fees, making it more attractive for retail investors. Blackstone's fees can be higher due to the complexity of their investments, which might eat into returns if you're not careful. When it comes to accessibility, BlackRock wins easily. Most people can invest through a brokerage account. Blackstone products are often locked behind accreditation requirements. Looking ahead to 2025, the economic landscape could favor BlackRock if markets remain volatile, as their diversified portfolios provide stability. But if private markets surge, Blackstone might pull ahead with its expertise in real estate and tech ventures. Ultimately, which is better depends on your goals. If you're seeking low risk, long-term growth, go with BlackRock. For high reward, aggressive strategies, Blackstone could be your pick. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below. Which one are you investing in? See you next time.